The start of Tina's birthday was interesting. Until last night, I thought I could handle Australian house spiders. About midnight, Tiina pointed out a huntsman sitting above us, and we pretty quickly noped the fuck out of that room. It took 3 foreigners as moral support and an unwilling Australian to battle this demon spawn. This thing, the only place it could have come from would have been the 7th realm of hell. It took half a tin of bug spray, a solid dose of hairspray, and about 10 beatings from a shoe, and even then it was still kicking. Nope.